Hi, friends. Welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Today I've come with the classic pineapple pastry. Come on, let's bake the pineapple pastry cake. I've taken 3 eggs. Into that, we'll add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of vanilla essence and a few drops of pineapple essence. The flavor of pineapple should not overpower. Now let us beat the eggs till it is fluffy. Let us add 90 grams of sugar, granulated sugar, little by little, and beat the eggs. In this cake, we are not using any baking powder or baking soda. So the softness of the cake will be based on how well the eggs are beaten. So we need to beat the eggs very well till the yellow color changes to almost pale yellow or white. We need to beat the eggs at high speed for around 4 to 5 minutes till this consistency is reached. The eggs should be beaten to this consistency. Now into this beaten eggs, we'll add 90 grams of all-purpose flour or maida. We'll add little by little and fold in the flour into the egg mixture. We should only sprinkle the flour into the egg mixture so that no lumps are formed, and folding should be done very gently to prevent deflating of the eggs which we have beaten. Ensure that the flour is properly folded in so that no streaks of flour is left behind in the egg mixture. Now the flour is properly mixed. Let us transfer this into a prepared tin. Here I have taken a 6-inch cake tin, greased and lined with parchment paper or butter paper. The cake should be baked at 160 to 170 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven for around 30 to 35 minutes. Run a chopstick or a skewer through the batter to release any air bubbles trapped in the batter. And move the batter from the center to the sides so that the cake bakes flat with a flat top. Now let's bake the cake. Now let's beat the whipping cream for the frosting. Here I have taken Pillsbury whipped topping, which is a blend of dairy and non-dairy cream. I've taken 1 cup of whipping cream. Before we start beating the cream, we should refrigerate the bowl and the blade. It should be kept in the refrigerator for some time, and we have to beat the cream to this consistency. It took me around 5 minutes, and let us keep the whipping cream in fridge. Now the cake is properly baked. Let us remove it from the cake tin once it's cooled. Let us remove the butter paper. Instead of using butter paper, even we can just grease the tin and dust with flour. Now let us cut the cake into 3 layers. The texture of the cake is amazing, just perfect for any pastry cake. Here I have taken some pineapple pieces which I had cooked with 2 tablespoons of sugar and a little water, and I've used the sugar and pineapple syrup to soak the cake. Now let us frost the cake. Place one layer and we'll soak the layers in the pineapple and sugar syrup. To make the sugar syrup, add 2 tablespoons of sugar into half cup of water and boil it. In case you need more sweetness, you can add 1 more tablespoon. Layer it with the beaten cream. And let us spread some pineapple pieces. Now place the second layer, soak it with the syrup, and we'll repeat the process. Now I have placed all the 3 layers and I have applied some cream on top. Let us spread it nicely. While beating the cream, we should be careful that we don't overbeat the cream, or else it will be difficult to spread it on the cake. In case it is overbeaten, to rectify that, we can add 1 or 2 spoons of unbeaten cream and just fold it in, so that the cream comes to the normal consistency. To smoothen the cake, to smoothen the frosting, we can dip the palette knife in water and smoothen it. Now let us make some decorations using yellow color. Here I have used gel colors and a little green here and there. So now our pineapple pastry cake is ready. Please try out the recipe. Bake the classic pineapple pastry at home. Please let me know how it turns out. Hope you will like the recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay safe. Bye.